How to add admin to a Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then switch to your Facebook page. As you can see, I've already switched to my Facebook page. You can just tap on the profile and then tap on the gear icon over here. So just tap on the gear icon, that will lead you to settings and privacy. Next, scroll down and then tap on the option of page setup. As you do that, tap on the page access option over here, and here you can see people with Facebook access. Now just tap on add new option over here and then tap on next, and then here you can just search by name or username in order to add the admin. So you can just search for anybody and then add them as your admin to Facebook page. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.